HistoCore SPECTRA Workstation Application, ST Troubleshooting Staining Kit. Always scan the box and bottles without interruption. Canceling during the workflow invalidates the stain kit. Note: rescanning is not possible. If Update Reagents is clicked, the workflow can solely be canceled in one dedicated position in the workflow before the box is scanned. Only bottles belonging to the original kit can be scanned. The instrument detects wrong bottles. Only kits with a valid expiration date can be used. The instrument detects expired reagents.